Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do that circularize component to kind of create this tool or gear type shape. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Mine was having issues making the demonstration model, so hopefully I don't run into that again, but it wasn't a big issue. So let's go up and drop a cube, press W to move, R to scale so we can see our object. And I'm going to go over into my inputs in my channel box layer editor. And I'm just going to do 4, 4, and 4. So 4 for the subdivision width, 4 for the subdivision height, and 4 for the depth. And what we need to do is we need to be in face mode for this command. So let's go ahead on over, right click, and go into face mode. And go ahead and select, not that, select your faces. So I'm going to select these center 4 faces that I want to become circular. And then I'm going to hold the shift and right click, and I'm going to go down into Circularize component. So I'm going to kind of create more a blocky shape. I want this to be really circular. So I'm going to come down and do a add divisions, and I'm going to start adding divisions in there until it gets more circular. And then from there I could just delete. Let's go ahead and do that again and extrude out this time. So I am doing selecting all 4 of these with my shift select, holding shift and right click and going to circularize component, adding in some divisions, and then from there I'm going to do a control E to extrude. This is where mine was having issues earlier, and it still is. You can see my local thickness is coming up as a not real number. I don't know exactly why it is doing that. Just, yeah. Oh, you know why it's doing that? I have this selected on from the last one. Alright. I'm gonna Z back. Okay. I'll Z all the way back. Alright. Knew something was wrong. So I'm gonna go back to circularize component and add in divisions. And now I can command control E to extrude and bring this out. So what it was doing, it was trying to snap to the points of not existent or at my object. So it was grabbing the object. Anyway. Alright. So now I have this. That looks cool, we could leave that, but what if we wanted to make it more of like pipe? So we could do, go back into our face mode and do another control E to extrude, and just like before, pressing R and our left click, we're going to make sure we're in component or object, actually, because this is all full one thing, and we can just bring this in with that middle mouse or with this one. And then control E to extrude in again. And then we can start to create